Good morning, Beverett Hills Elementary. I am Melissa Kelly, your SCA president.
And I am Owen Terry, your SCA secretary, and this is the news for Wednesday, November 13th, 2019.
Today is National World Kindness Day.
World Kindness Day is celebrated annually on the 13th of November. On this day, participants attempt to make the world a better place by celebrating and promoting good deeds and pledging acts of kindness.
World Kindness Day is practiced all over the world in countries like Japan, Canada, Australia, and of course the USA. No act of kindness is too big or too small. Do something kind for someone today. Show others how much you care for them.
Today's word of the day is collide. To collide is to crash together with force or to bump into something.
Make sure you don't collide with another person in the hallway.
Ms. Revisa would like to send a shout-out to Betsy Wood and Brock Hall, who are the safety patrols in the car rider lobby at the end of the day. These two do a great job and set a great example to the other students.
Miss Roby would like to give a shout-out to Braylon in Miss Reynolds' room, and Lily S., Maya, and Zamir from Miss Wayne's room. These students have been exceptional in their reading and have worked really hard. This is Alyssa Kelly.
And Owen Terry. Remember, be respectful,
Be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.